Down, jeez. Holy crap. Okay, well, hey guys. How you doing? You know what? You need to turn that crap down. Cuz. Hi guys. How you guys doing? I'm back and let me do my daily drawings. Okay. That was a very bad drawing. But no one cares. So, bye. Hey guys. Why did I say bye, guys? I feel really stupid. Okay. Hi guys. Welcome back to Subway Surfers. That's not true. So, last time in Subway Surfers, we just played a bunch of games in Subway Surfers. DJ, did you know you can't really verify your YouTube account unless you got a computer?
Really?
I'm not lying. I could not record videos up to 10 minutes until I verified my account on my computer. It's stupid, right?
Yeah.
Nope, that's how YouTube works. That's how YouTube works, apparently. I guess it is called YouTube. For a reason. I'm sorry if I'm not talking. I'm kind of concentrating, guys. It's hard to play Subway Surfers whenever you're not concentrating. Ain't it right? Ain't that right, DJ?
Yeah.
I'm doing pretty good in this game though. Like really good. Like almost professional good. I would love if I could Twitch stream this, just like Subway Surfers streaming online now. Coming to you when right now. Just be like a football game. And Raleigh Moore is blah 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 blah. What was his name again? Raw Rocks 21. Oh, that's right. And what are the narrators' names? Raleigh Moore and DJ Mountain. Nice names. I know they are. They're great names. If you're wondering why we were mad in the beginning, it's because DJ or my friend, ain't that right, DJ? Was being a jerk.
He said that was his only friend, and I.
You're not my only friend.
Prove it.
I don't have other friends' calls, but how am I supposed to prove it?
Tell me their name.
Jacob Friday. Douchebag. Hunter. What was Hunter's friend name? I forgot what his name was. Hunter's friend. You remember him? Remember Hunter in 3rd grade?
Yeah.
What was his friend name? Because he was my friend too.
I don't know.
Nathaniel. Well, he's not necessarily my friend anymore. He goes to the school I go to too. Do not say the school name. Okay? You know what school I'm talking to about though. You didn't like that very much. Really?
Mhm.
It wastes a bunch of time though.
Oh.
Huh?
No.
I feel like it's almost 6. Or it is 6 or something.
Yeah.
So. Oh yeah, and I'm gonna be staying up all night, so recording videos, of course. And DJ will have his tablet. Ain't that right? So maybe he might have some videos on his channel. Maybe. If he ever creates his channel, which he will probably never do. Because all he does all day is watch anime. Ain't that right? So, if anything he'll post on his channel, it's probably him singing like a theme song or some crap of anime. Watch YouTube say that's copyright, and I'm gonna be like, okay, so DJ singing is better than the actual show singing? Because if so, let him be a superstar and buy him. That sounded wrong.
That does. Well, I do have a gamer tag on something.
You want to tell everyone your gamer tag for PlayStation so you can have friends?
It's
You don't actually have to tell them if you don't want
DJ Prime 2005.
to. Yeah, I can't even remember that. So have fun trying to remember that, people. DJ Prime 2005. Are we gonna have to end it here, huh?
Yeah.
I heard it. Yay! I broke my face.